Hi, I'm Magi Helena. Do you want success? Do you want love? Stop just dreaming and start living the dream. 30 plus years of star science research have revealed one of the main keys to success and love. Timing is everything. Your personal golden cycles are the times when you can make the most money. Your Cinderella cycles are the times when it's easiest to sell yourself and your ideas, and the times when you can meet your soulmate or push for commitment. Your heartbreak cycles are the times when you can fail and get your heart broken, even when you give something your very best shot. Now you can find out when your own personal golden cycles, Cinderella cycles, and heartbreak cycles are with my instant Success Plus Love calendar. You can get one for 1, 3, 6, or 12 months, but I recommend getting the longest calendar you can. Longer calendars not only give you the best days each week, but you can also see how your personal cycles will ebb and flow over time so you can plan ahead. There is no product in the world which can give you your personal star cycles like my instant calendars, and they are only available here from me. All my calendars come with a 100% money-back guarantee, so you can try one risk-free. Try one right now, and you'll also get a $15 coupon good for any of my instant calendars or instant love compatibility reports. Put the power of your personal right timing to work for you and live the dream.